My name is Mr. Manuel JOINDEM. That is many years ago, but I can still remember something. That was around 4 p.m. I just back to my new place. So I went to call my brothers to my new place. On my way going, I saw people running helter-skelter. Everybody was running towards my direction. Immediately I saw that people were running towards my direction, I turned back to my house. Before I could reach my house, I could see either my wife or my children. So they all ran away. My wife took my 2 kids, Ifoma and the smaller brother, Bright.
I was 3.5 going to 4. So it was on a Sunday evening when we were hearing sounds and different buildings were collapsing. I was at home with my mom, my kid brother and my uncle. My dad was not at home that day because he went out. So everybody was running towards our direction because we just moved into our house that day. And my mom backed to my junior brother and she held me on her hand. And we were running towards the canal.
By that time, when you say canal, in the evening time, there was a lot of water hyacinth covered the canal. You hardly noticed there's a water there because there was a lot of grasses, a lot of things. So people thought that that water hyacinth is ordinary ground. They want to cross to the other side through that, but anyone that cross will fall inside and sink. The mud inside the water will hold the leg, nobody will move. So a lot of crowd, many people were climbing those that were on the ground to pass through to the other side. Because crowd was too much. When you say crowd, the crowd is not something you can say like 100 people, it was thousands trooping at one particular spot. So people were crying, people were shouting. At that time, when I came back, I was still searching for my people. See whether I can see them. I was searching up and I couldn't see them. Not knowing that something tragedy has already occurred in my family there. Because that was the day I just packed into that particular day. So when I searched throughout the whole day, till the evening and night, I couldn't find them. So the following day, I crossed to the other side to search for them. It was when I saw that there was a lot of corpses. The people have some died, some still inside the water. So I managed to look throughout the whole corpse from all corners. I couldn't find the corpse of my family there.
I found myself at the other part of Ikeja. My mom called me when I was in the water. I answered. Then we couldn't find my junior brother.
It was the following day, that the second day, that they now brought my family to me in the winter. When they came back, I found out that the boy is no more with them. It's only former I saw with the mother. When I asked them, they said that the boy fell inside, all of them fell inside the water. My wife was searching and managed to see Ifoma, and that Ifoma, the one that she saw. The other boy is nowhere to be found inside the canal. When I heard the sound of the blast, I didn't thought that it's an armory that exploded. I thought that maybe it's one container that fell somewhere because of the sound. I didn't know that it's a bomb because I never had such a sound before. But when the explosion continues, I began to see some light that is going up. The people now say that it's a bomb that is exploding, bomb. I haven't had such a sign. Because when I realized that actually it was bomb, when every house that is near, if you touch it where it's stood, it will be shaking. That is when I realized Large Abubakar Atiku, that was the vice president of that time of Obasanjo administration. He visited us. Then, led by the governor of Lagos State, Tinubu, by that time, they all came. So when they came directly to where I'm living, to my house there, because I was the last person that is living at that place by that time. They came, they visited us. That was when the Raj Abubakar carried my daughter, Ifoma, and he hold the picture of the small boy that ran in the canal. So they came, Tinubu came also. They spoke a lot of things at that time.
There hasn't been any form of conversation, but as at 2018 during the presidential election, I heard Atiku was trying to reach out to my family and promised to give us a better place to stay and help us one way or the other. But since then, I haven't heard from him or anyone, or even the government.
I have never received any compensation. It was Fashola administration that promised that they will give 250,000 as I earlier mentioned, which gave other people. Among the 84 of us that is at the second batch have not received anything. And we gone through work up and down, try to get our own compensation, no way. So I was among the 84 of them that have never got anything, either from the federal government or individuals.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.